Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to be using JavaScript to create a blinking text which looks somewhat like this. It looks pretty cool and you can make many changes to it. You can add shadows, you can change the fonts by using the CSS, but the main logic about changing the colors every second is what we are going to see today. So for that what I'm doing is, this is a very basic HTML page over here where I've just written hello world, and I have created a colors.js file. In this file, firstly what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an array in which I'll write all the colors that I want. So I'll say colors equals red, blue, green, and then yellow, then I'll say violet, then any one color, any one dark color, that is brown, let's say. So I right now have 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements, 6 colors into my colors array. Now what I'll do is I'll create a function called as change colors, and inside that function, first of all what I'm going to be doing is I'll select the h1 tag on which we are going to make these changes. So I'll say h1.style.color equals to, now what the main logic that we are using over here is that every second I want a random color to be selected from this colors list and it gets displayed over here. So for that what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use the math function. So I'll say math.random and choose any random number between 6. Now as you can see we have 6 elements, so over here I'll say that choose any random number from 0 to 5. So this into 5 does that job, that it will choose a random number from 0 to 5. Now the problem with this random function is that it returns back a decimal number. So let's say if the random number chose this 4, then it will give us 4.312 whatever it is. So for that I'll write another math.round function, and inside that round function I'm going to pass the output which this math.random function will return. So now I'll get a proper number, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5. So after we have got a number, what we'll do is we'll pass that particular number as an index to the colors array. So again we'll take a look at what is happening over here. We selected the h1 tag and inside which I'm choosing a random number, so everything inside this square bracket will return just a number, which is maybe color 0, color 1, color 2 and so on. And after that I'll write the set interval function in which I'll pass the change color function and the time in which I want the colors to change. So I'll say 2000 milliseconds, which is 2 seconds, and just give this a save. So it's a very simple logic that we are using. Now if I'll run our web page, I can see the colors are changing. They are automatically changing after 2 seconds of interval, and they'll only change according to the colors that we have given over here, and they are completely random. They are changing according to whatever value is coming over here. So it's quite easy, and if you add more CSS to it, some shadows or some font changes, then it will look brilliant in your website. So it is quite easy to make and a very simple logic. Hope you like this video. Thank you.